Hi, welcome back to the workshop. I've been offline for a little while, had a bit of a back problem, but now I'm sort of back on form, but I'm not back doing the leather work quite yet. So I thought I'd show you a little bit about the Buffy hats that you've seen Ben wearing in all the videos recently, well, and over the past 10 years. I expect it hardly comes off of his head. So these Buffy hats are made by a lady who used to live locally to us. We bought our first two from a local craft gallery, fell in love with them, and then contacted Buffy and asked her if she would make some for our online shop. First of all, we just thought we wanted some in lots of greens and browns and for them to all be the same. And she said she thought it would be a better idea, with her being an artist, that she just be creative and make each one different. So she could go into her workshop, have a look at all the yarns, all the different wools, and then just decide, depending on what mood she was in, what she thought would look good. So we went along with her way of thinking, and so every hat that we get from Buffy is slightly different. So when you buy one of these, it is your hat. There isn't one identical to it. There might be one with some of the same colours, or even all the same colours, but they won't be in that same order of style. So your Buffy hat is your Buffy hat, and that is why when we get a new bag full delivered, which has happened today, we get super excited about it. So I'm going to open this up and see what Buffy has in store for us today. Right, here goes. Let's see what's inside. Using one of Ben's little thorn knives to open the bag, so it should be sharp. Oh yeah, don't cut the hats, Lois. Don't cut the hats. That would be a little disaster, wouldn't it? Oh, oh, right, we're in. Let's see what we've got. Okay, first one. Oh, that's a nice one. We do this every time. We're like, oh, I want that one. I like that one because that's blue. This one. Oh, that's a lovely one. Orangey shades. Oh, lovely purple one. Got a lot of customers that like the purple. I think there should be 12 in here. Oh wow, that's another nice blue one. Oh, more monotone. Black. They've got nice colours inside as well, so it could be purple on the outside, but look, that's grey on the inside. That's dark blue, so they're really different. Nice beigey one. Oh, Ben will want that. Nice green one. Well, that's a nice one in autumn browns. Ooh, that's a really nice one in sort of yellowy brown and then the blue inside. Because you can wear them down like that, or you can fold up the sides and it looks really nice, like a little beanie. Oh, there's another one Ben will want. With that lovely camouflage green in it. Ooh, that's a nice one. Brown and grey. And the last one. Oh, unusual. Oh, that's a lovely one. We went down to Buffy's workshop, which is now in Somerset, and she showed us round. It was a lovely old farm, and her building, her workshop was next to the old farm buildings, and there was mountains of different reels of wool, and it was just such a creative space, and she showed us how she went about making all these lovely things, and it was a really nice thing to meet the maker. So that's why we thought it was a nice thing for us to sort of try and promote her, another craftsperson. She also makes for us these lovely little mittens, which are really cool, especially if you want to be using your phone at the same time. Keep your hands and your wrists warm, but you can still use your phone. And these really nice scarves. Well, here's my hat. I've had this for many moons. It's been a faithful companion on lots of trips up into the mountains. Still looking good after a lot of wear. Put it right down over the ears when the wind's whistling, or you can put the flap up like that. Like I said, a different colour inside, so it looks different when you put the flap up like that. So have a look on the website and look at this lovely range of Buffy hats, scarves and mitts. There'll be a link below this video that you can click to go directly to it. So hopefully you enjoyed unwrapping these new hats as much as I have, and tune in next time for another video.